Hello and welcome to this Power BI learning series. In today's video, we will learn how to download, install and set up Power BI desktop step by step. In this series, we are going to build a simple sales dashboard step by step. You will learn how to create a basic charts like product-wise, category-wise sales, apply filters and how to apply visual interactions, implement page navigation to create multi-page report. So let's get started. Before we start downloading, let's quickly look at basic system requirements for Power BI Desktop. You don't need a very high-end laptop, but here are the minimum recommended system requirement. Operating system, Windows 10 or 11, 64-bit recommended. RAM at least 4 GB, although it will work with the 2 GB, but if you use any large data set, it will crash. So it's recommended use at least 4 GB. Processor 1.4 or faster, 64-bit CPU. Storage at least 2 GB free space. Display minimum 1440 by 900 resolution recommended. If you are using Mac, Power BI Desktop won't work directly, but don't worry, you will still use Power BI service in the browser or window using virtual tools like Parallels. Now let's download. First step is to download Power BI Desktop from Microsoft official website. Just open your browser and search for Download Power BI Desktop. Click on the first link that says Power BI Microsoft. Now scroll down and select language based on your preference and click download option. You will see two options, 64-bit and 32-bit version. Most systems today are 64-bit. If you are unsure, you can check your system settings. Click on the correct version to download the setup file. It will take some time to download. Once the download is complete, open the setup file. The installation process is very simple. Select the language and just click next, next and install. It may take a minute or two to install. Once done, click on finish. Power BI Desktop will be ready to launch. When you open Power BI Desktop for the first time, it may ask you to sign in. If you don't have an account, you can also skip the sign in step for now. We will cover sign in option in part 10, sharing and publishing Power BI report. For now, you just click on the blank report. So once you click on the blank report, you will see Power BI Desktop Development Area, where you will see System Settings, Report Development Area, Model and Report View. We will cover all these options in detail in our next video, but let's do first basic settings on our system. Go to File, Options and Settings, Options, Global Report Settings. Here you can select the theme selection like dark mode or light mode based on your preference. Dark mode is easier on eyes. Light mode is good for training or recording videos. You can do other setting which is auto recovery settings. Go to options, global, auto recovery. Make sure auto recovery is enabled. Save every 10 minutes is recommended. This protects your work in case Power BI crashes on systems shutdown. You can also do regional settings. For date numbers, go to options, regional settings. Set your locale properly, English India. This ensures date format and currency appears correctly. For example, if your system setting is using different date time format, but in your report it comes in Indian format, so that you get proper format for date. You can do one more settings, which is change default file save location. So for example, if you are working with any project and you want to save your file directly to that project, you can also go to options, global save settings, set default folder where your Power BI files will be saved. If you would like to practice everything shown in this video series step by step, we have prepared complete content for you. Each part in the series has its own folder with instructions, raw data files and Power BI files so you can follow along easily at your own pace. For example, if you go to our part 4 of this series, you will see we have 3 folders. The first one is instructions folder. Here, if you open the instructions file, it has all the steps we have discussed, like the basic transformation. You will see step-by-step guidance along with images. Similarly, raw files contain all the raw files we used in this part, like basic transformation, text transformation and number transformation. And in Power BI folder, you will find completed Power BI file we have created in this part. To get access, just visit datasoft365.com or email us at datasoft365@gmail.com. We will send you everything you need to start learning hands-on.